My name is Anne Mushoki. I run Kitengela International Girls High School as the head of school. At Kitengela International School, we believe in holistic education. We are an 844 all-girls boarding school set in a beautiful environment in Kitengela. In my school, we have the academics and pastoral department. In the academics department, which is the core business of a school, it is run by a team of dedicated teachers who are professional and are fully staffed. Let's go to the pastoral department, where we take care of the children's welfare. In the pastoral department, we take care of their spiritual, mental, and physical health. In the spiritual aspect, Kitengela International School is a full Christian school. We do accept other religions, and we do have a Muslim and Hindu population. Our pastoral department is headed mostly by a chaplain, but do allow the Muslim and Hindu children to worship freely as is their right. In the physical department, it is run by a clinical officer who is fully supported by our sports department. We have basketball courts, football taps, swimming department, netball, just to speak of a few. For their mental health, as we are aware, the Gen Z generation is struggling with mental health. To this end, Kitengela International saw it fit to have clinical psychologists and counseling psychologists to run this department. Again, they are aided within my school by the co-curricular department, such as the cadets and also the peer counseling department. At Kitengela International School, we truly believe that each child is unique. We are now in the 844 system and soon to segue as the government has mandated into a senior school. I reiterate, my name is Anne Mushoki. I head Kitengela International Girls School. What makes me absolutely unique? Each child is an individual. We truly care.